everybody, it's the mobile home mama standing outside another Fair Meadow. These things are all over the place. I would say it's safe to say that we've got 1, 2, 3 down there. But anyways, I'm the general manager here at Champion Retail Center. We're located right at the factory in Topeka, Indiana, and people come here from all over the country to design their homes. You can come here too. Come here and we'll sit down, design a home out for you. You'll know right down to the penny how much that home would cost, and you can purchase directly from us. Here's the big news. Labor Day weekend is my annual open house. Big savings that day. Maximize your PTO, take the extra day off, and I'll put you in a really nice hotel. We're gonna have factory reps, giveaways, raffles, all kinds of good stuff, and a great educational weekend for you to learn about how these homes are built, how much they cost, and how you can make it happen for you. We've got cream on the outside and Tyvek weather wrap. What's underneath here? Yay, we've got some OSB. These customers have done really well here. And then they've also got some pier savers under the door. What does that do? It's going to keep your doors from sagging over the years, and also going to eliminate you having to put concrete piers under the doors. So that's going to save you about $500 per door. And then let's go inside and check it out. This is a 1-bed, 1-bath. All right, this home is front loaded, meaning living room or kitchen always at the front. Great to put this home on a lake or anywhere you want to have the front facing a really good view. So you could do a patio door over there. You could move this door that I'm standing at. You can move around the windows to create an entertainment wall. That's what most people do when they do this floor plan. We have never ever seen this accent wall before. We'll talk about that in a second. But here's your living room. Cute little floor plan. I love this separation wall that's going to separate your living room from the kitchen. And then check this out. I've never shown this on the channel before. Anywhere you're looking at a floor plan and you see a bunch of little X's, you can do an accent wall there. That's no additional charge. I think we have 3 to choose from. Always the cool cedar, that dark one. And then now this one. We've got Serenity on the floor. That's new for this year. And then a quartz frost on the countertop. I think we call it, I don't know, Pine, Vieto, or something Italian, right? Kind of like me, something Italian on the countertop. And then we've got urban oak on the cabinet, corner sink. Oh yes. Appliance package, we've got an over/under 20.5 cubic foot with the ice maker right there. We are Champion Homes. Gas stove, microwave, dishwasher. That's a package. Black handles, make sure you add those. You don't have to, but it's a good thing to have handles to open your cabinets. We've got a reverse aisle, meaning both doors are on the same side. And we can also add a washer and dryer if you like. You have the choice of cabinets or a wire shelf. You can always opt for nothing if you want to do your own thing. I mean, a lot of DIYers, do-it-yourselfers, and that's okay too. This 1-bedroom floor plan is one of 2 homes that is a 1-bedroom where you can fit a walk-in shower. So check this out. Plenty of elbow room in here between the toilet and the shower, and an extended vanity for you. Hello. An extended vanity for you to be able to store your stuff. Great bathroom, lots of room. And then here's a better view. You really can barely tell when you're standing back the difference between the Casper cashmere wall and the accent wall. They're very similar in colors for sure. Now, let's see, you see that trim over there, Bowen? The reason that is because we're slightly sitting on a hill here. So if you ever see that in your home after you've installed your home, you need to probably have your shims checked. Something's not right. When you have your home correctly leveled, all of those things settle down and land flat against your walls. So that's a good indication that something's not quite right. Maybe it's just off by a little bit, maybe an inch or 2. But here, we're ready to ship this baby, so we're not level whatsoever. We're actually, if you take a look here, at a slope. All right, I'm Christina. It's Saturday. I was tired of looking at my computer, so thought I'd jump out in this little cutie. 14 by 44. This is a Fair Meadow. As always, thank you.